On this episode of Dave Eats, Dave and Lou have hit the road and traveled to Cambridge, Ontario. Not far off the 401 Mega Highway on Pine Bush Road, you will find a pasta factory, National Pasta. If you were thinking about traveling to try this place, you will want to keep this in mind. National Pasta is open Monday to Friday 11 till 2. For the hot food table, National Pasta's address is 129 Pine Bush Road. Come on in with Dave and let's check this place out together.
And this is regular lasagna?
Regular lasagna, yeah. 7 layer, we got chicken veal parm, cabbage rolls, today's special is fish and chips.
Fish and chips? That's
Yeah.
weird for a pasta place, right? What do you eat when you come here?
Pardon?
What do you eat when you come here?
I make everything.
Oh, do you?
Eat it all. Lasagna is a good one, chicken veal parm is a good sandwich.
Do they come with pasta? Well, I should probably have a lasagna, I think, right? And probably a veal parm or a chicken parm. Which do you prefer? Okay, veal parm. And I'll take that with onion rings. That would be fine. This place is kind of a hidden little place here. How busy do you guys get? Really busy here sometimes? Or? You get fairly busy here sometimes?
Especially at Christmas time.
Right.
We used to be across the street. 4213. Yep.
So this is National Pasta, right? This is in Cambridge. This is a pasta factory, but they have hot food during the, from 11 till 2 every day. The hot food looked pretty amazing, didn't it, Lucinda? I couldn't pull the trigger on the Mexican lasagna. As soon as they said black bean, well, I was kind of, maybe not, right? Okay, what do we want? This lasagna. It's got some weight to it. Want to take a photograph? Lasagna looks amazing, right? God, I work with people here in Cambridge and they don't even know about this place. What's wrong with them, eh? So this is 7 layers, right, Lucinda? They told me, I think. That's pretty good. Now they make the pasta and their own sauce here as well. And you can buy all this in the retail store as well. All the fixings to make this. That's pretty darn good. Look at the layers in there.
Yes.
Veal Parmesan, mushrooms, peppers, onions, Kaiser bun. It's pretty thick, eh? I'm enjoying this place. Onion rings, good size order. Piece of garlic bread with it too. This place is like a little hidden place here. I'm not sure how many people know about this place, but the food's fantastic. People were great. Prices aren't bad at all. You know, we got some nougat, and I think that was about $7, so you take that off the bill. The banana food we got, that wasn't bad.
Before Dave tries the nougat, let's see a Lou's restroom review.
Time for a Lou's restroom review. Very spacious. Something interesting. Pretty good restroom.
Almonds, cherries, cranberries, raisins, maybe? Do you think? Raspberries, maybe? Sweet. Pretty sweet. Not quite my cup of tea, but I think Lucinda might like it. All in all, I think this place is alright. Now this is on... I'll put the address up below. I'm not sure the name of the street. But you can't miss it when you go by. It's only open Monday to Friday, 11 till 2. So if you want to come here for lunch, you got to make sure you're in that time frame. That's in the hot food table. I believe the retail's open a lot longer. If you've been to this place, let us know. If you haven't, comment anyways. Hit the like button, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. Big Dave, National Pasta, Dave Eats. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.